So I want to get this cabinet in place, just sit it in there for now while I put together the cabinets on either side of it. So what I have to do is drill out for this pipe. Luckily, I have a plumber that likes me, and all I have to do is drill a hole, take this off, put it back in afterwards. What I'm gonna do is mark the location of the studs. I have marks on the bottom, and then I'm going to plumb a line up like that, so I know where to put my screw when it comes time to actually install this. Basically what I want to do is find the center of the window, which on this one is real simple. It has this piece right here that I can go off of, and if I wanted to, I could check it this way. Now I can take a level and plumb that line down. So that's my center line. Center. Looks like it is off-centered, which is fine. Pretty close. Now I can find the center of this cabinet. Like this. So from the inside, that mark is 14 1/4. So down here, I'm gonna mark 14 1/4. And then, because I'm not exactly sure where this pipe is going, I'm just gonna make a very light mark, center right there. So that's the center of my cabinet. And now you can just picture that when I put the cabinet here, that center line will match up with this center line. So I can measure off of the center line to the center of the pipe. That is a 1/2 inch away from the center line. So in here, I measure 1/2 inch away from the center line. Now I need my vertical measurement. So I could measure from the floor, but if I put my tape down here, there's a kick space under there where I'm not going to be able to measure to the floor down here. So what I'm going to do is measure the height of my cabinet, 34 1/2. It's probably going to go up. That's okay. And then I measure to the center of the pipe, 20 3/8. Right here, I do 20 3/8. Ow. So now I have where I need to drill my hole. And drill it. And now we see how we did. Not too bad at all. And I still have room to maneuver this around a little bit. If I have to, I could hack it out with a jigsaw a little bit once I figure out where it needs to go, but should be fine.